Over the past year, we've done a lot of trading on the channel, from Bitcoin, Ethereum, to countless altcoins and meme coins. But back when Bitcoin was at $29,000 per coin, I did a whole entire video talking about a trading platform that I'd been using quite a bit called CoinEx. It's a platform that has hundreds of different cryptocurrencies listed. It has futures, it has the ability to make spot Bitcoin trades, and they have like pretty good bonuses for new time investors as well. And right now they actually have a $2,500 or a free trip giveaway where if you go ahead and sign up on CoinEx, trade more than $200, you could win a trip to El Salvador or opt for a straight 2,500 USDT. They talk about this over on their Twitter. They also have a whole entire page about it on their website. And since this time, I've talked about this project a lot from time to time on the channel. We've talked about it in YouTube. I've talked about it recently over on Twitter when I was telling you guys about a crypto I recently invested in called Blender, because Blender wasn't really listed on many exchanges, but they were listed on CoinEx. So I put a link to that as well. And recently I have been placing a lot more trades on it. So I think it's about time we do a bit of a deep dive and a bit of an update onto how to use CoinEx's features, some new features, some things that I've been doing. And I want to do it from a new user perspective, so you can see exactly how to go about using it. So I just made this account within the last 48 hours. I put in a few $100s. You can see there's right around $329 in this account. But basics of this platform, things that stand out, are going to be that they have not only the ability to do spot and leverage crypto trading, but they have good data compared to other platforms. If you go ahead and click on Market Overview, you can see that they have top searches, new coins, top gainers, and value leaders. This is something that not all exchanges have. They don't easily make it accessible to see their new listings, spot markets, future markets, but with CoinEx, they allow you to do this. In addition to this, if you click on market data, the thing I like about this is that this shows all the different coins that they have listed on their platform. So over 934 shows you how many are up, how many are down, and the total market cap over the last 24 hours, like what's been going on with it. When you scroll down a bit further, it talks all about all these different, crypto heat maps, top searches, top gainers, new coins. And the thing that's different about this is that most platforms don't have this easily accessible. You have to go ahead and look at CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, and you can't easily access all of this data. And the thing that's really important is that the more data you can use and you can access easily, the better informed your decisions can be. So that's something that I really liked about this platform and why I've been using it personally for a lot of trading. Right now, they do have quite a bit of volume. They have around 24 in their 24-hour trading volume. It's at $146.8 million. You can see that is for their spot markets. And if you go ahead and you click on their perpetual markets, you can also see that they're that trading is right around $487 million. And you could see futures as well. You could see all these different things just listed. So they have close to, over $500 million in 24-hour trading volume when you start combining their spot, perpetuals, when you start combining all of these different things. Now, if we take a look at what's actually going on with this platform, is a few features, because I want to place a few different trades. Like I said recently, I did talk about Blender because Blender was a project I'm extremely bullish on. It's an AI crypto, and you guys can read all this. I'll put some links down below if you want to check it out. But Blender wasn't really listed on many exchanges, and they launched on CoinEx. You could go ahead and click on spot trading. Then once you get to spot trading, you can see that Blender is listed right here. It's up around 20% over the last 24 hours. And if you want to go ahead and place a spot trade, you can go ahead and do a limit market, stop limit, or stop market trade. And it's very simple to go about doing. You just need to go ahead and, click which type of trade you want, put in how much you want to buy, and click buy or sell. Very simple, very intuitive to do. If you want to go ahead and do, let's say, a leverage trade, we could go over to futures markets. We'll click on futures markets. And we'll see for BTC to USDT, you could do leverage trading up to, if you go ahead and click on this, you could do up to 100x. We're going to keep it at 3x. You could do an isolated or cross trade as well. If we go ahead and place a trade with this, let's just put in a market trade so we could do it for this video. We're going to say, let's just do 25% of what I have available. You'll just click on buy, click confirm, and then you could see now we've placed a bit of a trade. And you can see, if you scroll down, you can then see that we do have a trade that is currently open, which is 3x margin. You can, like I said, increase that all the way up to 100x if you want. Right now, they do have a few things going on, which are pretty unique. They run these, from time to time to help incentivize users to trade more and be a part of everything going on. So if you go ahead and click on Futures Trade Board Sign Up Ongoing, you click on this, and I'll put these links down below as well. But with this, you can see that it says join Futures Trade Board to share 20,000 USDT. This promotion ends in 7 days, just around 7.5 days from now. All you do is you click apply now, then you'll start making trades and you get rewarded just based off of your rankings. You could see that first place gets $1,800, second gets $1,200, third gets $800, so on and so forth. So this is something that is pretty exciting because it gives you more of an incentive to go about trading and participating in the crypto market, benefiting from coins that are currently being a little bit more volatile, seeing a lot of ups, a lot of downs. Other thing going on with this platform is going to be with their feature called Financial. Financial is a pretty cool feature in my opinion because it allows you to earn interest on your basically cryptocurrencies that are just idle, sitting there, not doing anything. So you can see you just have to deposit to your spot account, transfer to the financial account, and you can start earning yield. For USDT, they have up to 10.7659% 7-day APY, and you can see all these other coins, which they also have APYs on, but USDT is the highest in terms of that. So you just would need to transfer from your spot account over to financial account, and then you could start earning with their feature called Financial as well. Last thing I do want to go over is going to be in terms of what they call Newbie Exclusives. If you go ahead and click on Newbie Exclusives, it brings you right here because you're able to get up to 100 USDT by simply going ahead, creating an account, and doing a few qualifying activities. So with it, if you go ahead, complete registration, you get 1 USDT. Within 31 days, if you go ahead and make your first deposit, that's more than $50, you get another 4 USDT back. And you can see they have all these different tasks where each qualifying activity allows you to earn more and more just for basically participating, trading on the platform. They can reward you, up to that 100 USDT for just making a new account, depositing, and starting a few trades. So you can see all the different qualifications to be eligible for these. And once you do, you just click on claim. I'm not eligible to make these claims because we haven't traded enough on this platform. As I said, we just opened this account up for the sake of this video. So ultimately, this exchange has been something I've talked about for over a year. I did a whole entire deep dive on it back in May of 2023. I've talked about it over on Twitter countless times, and I like it because they usually list a lot of cryptocurrencies first relative to a lot of competitors. So if you're looking for a place where you can buy a lot of new cryptocurrencies, new coins that are up and coming, they're usually pretty quick to list these tokens. They've listed BOEM, which is an up and coming meme coin. They listed Blender, which was a bit of a smaller AI coin. They've already listed Slurf, which is up 76%, just launched a few days ago. So if you're looking for a place to trade cryptos that maybe aren't accessible on all other exchanges, CoinEx is a platform that has consistently over the last year, since I've talked about them, always been first to really list cryptocurrencies. They have a lot of different features, a lot of different data on their platform, and that's why I continue to use it for the last year.